Creating a split screen in CapCut is easier than you think. So here's how to add two videos on one screen, either from your iPhone or Android. So first you have to open up your CapCut and go to new video. Now choose the first video that you just want to use for the split screen and tap add. Once it's added, go to overlay and tap add overlay. Now choose the second video that you just want to place with the first one, and after adding, you can adjust the size and position the way you like from here and swipe left until you find the mask option. So when you find it, just tap on it and here we'll see several options. For split screen, the best choice is horizontal. You can also try mirror if you prefer. Once the mask is applied, now you just need to adjust both clips. So first select the main video and crop or reposition it to fit your frame. Then you have to select the overlay video and adjust it the way you want. You can also use the mask controls and pinch with 2 fingers to fine-tune the split until both videos fit perfectly. And that's it. See, it looks amazing. And that's how you can easily create a split screen in CapCut the most amazing way. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.